So almost 3 months is going to be left up to the 26, and what are you doing? You are doing the same thing that you're doing into the 25. Then how can you expect this your life is going to be alright? So did you hear it? If you aren't willing to do what other people are not willing to do, then you're going to be the same person as them. So that's a difficult one. And in today's video, I will tell you 3 biggest reasons why your life hasn't changed. And if you follow these 3 things, and if you complete these 3 things, you're going to be very successful in your life. I can guarantee this. Or if you don't want to waste in next 7 months up to 26, you will have to listen to this. So that's why if you want to be very successful in your life, your first step would be take a decisive action in your life. So did you hear it? If you want to be very successful in your life, or if you don't want to be rich, you will have to take a decisive action in your life. Because whoever has become so successful in this world, it can be a musician, it can be a politician, it can be a doctor, it can be a businessman, whoever has become so successful in their life are ones who didn't just only make a plan, who didn't just only talk to each other, who didn't just only make a plan, who didn't just only watch. They've also took action in their life, and after taking the action, they are very successful in their life. So that's why I already know that you have enough knowledge to start something, because you have already watched so many fitness video, you have already watched so many motivation video, you have already watched so many funness video. But until and unless you implement the thing that you have learned in your life, how will you be able to learn something? How will you be able to be the best version of yourself? So that's why don't just only plan. That's why don't just only make a plan. Don't just only watch. Also take an action in your life. And as you can see, I'm making this video. But before making this video, I have to take an action to make this video. And after taking the action, I'm able to make this video. So that's why also take a action. Take a decisive action in your life. And the number second things, if you want to be very successful in your life, or if you don't want to be, or if and the number second things, if you want to be very successful in your life, or if you don't want to be rich, it would be you will have to put yourself in an uncomfortable situation. So have you thought about this? So have you ever thought this? Why 99% people don't get successful in this world, or why only 1% people get successful in this world? The reason is very simple. 99% people are afraid to put themselves in an uncomfortable situation. So did you hear what I said? 99% people are afraid to put themselves in an uncomfortable situation, but only 1% people are willing to put themselves in an uncomfortable situation, because they know that without putting themselves in an uncomfortable situation, because they know that without putting themselves in an uncomfortable situation, without putting themselves in difficult situation, they are never going to be very successful in your life. So that's why don't just only stay in your comfort zone. Also out of your comfort zone. Also put yourself in an uncomfortable situation. Also put yourself in difficult situation. And a difficult or uncomfortable situation doesn't just mean only you have to work so hard. You will have to be very disciplined. Difficult situation and uncomfortable situation means, like, let me give an example. You will have to wake up. This is the uncomfortable situation. You will have to get disciplined. So this is uncomfortable situation. And so these are the small things that we will have to do. But at this time 99% of people are give up. So that's why you will have to put yourself in an uncomfortable situation. Yes, it can be hard, it can be difficult, but always remember, success doesn't come from comfortable situation. Success doesn't come from easy things. Success only comes from hard situation. So this is the second thing. And number third thing is very important. 90% of people, or most of the people, take the advice from the people who is not very successful in their life. If you want to be very successful in your life, you will have to stop taking the advice from the people who is not very successful in their life. So did you hear what I said? If you want to be very successful in your life, you will have to listen carefully. So did you hear what I said? If you want to be very successful in your life, you will have to stop taking the advice from the people who is not very successful in their life. So let me give you an example. So if your goal is to be a millionaire, you will have to take the advice from the people who is already making millions of dollars. So but if you are taking advice from the people who is not making millions, or if you are taking advice from an average person, you are never going to be very successful, or you are never going to be a millionaire. So that's why take the advice from the people who is very successful in their life. So the thing that I'm trying to make you understand is that if you want to be very successful in life, you will have to take that from the people who is very successful in their life. So as you can see, I'm making this video. But if I ask a British person who didn't make a video in his entire life, or if I ask him what should I do or what do I need to do to improve the quality of my video, what do you think? Will he be able to tell me what should I do or what do I need to do to improve the quality of my video? Absolutely not, because he hasn't even tried to make a video in his entire life. So that's why he will not be able to teach me. So that's why he will not be able to teach me how to. That's why he will not be able to teach me how to make a video, how to improve the quality of my video. So that's why I think I have been able to make you understand. So I've been able to make you understand why you will have to follow these 3 things, and I'm sure that you are going to be very successful in your life if you follow these things. And always remember, you aren't just want to be average. You aren't just want to see the other people win. You aren't just want to live an average life. You are want to become so rich. You are want to become so famous. You want to give your parents the best life that they always deserve. So that's why be very successful in your life, because your parents are waiting for your success. And I know that you're going to be very